Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn free credits in Pippit AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already joined Pippit AI, and if you want to get more credits for free guys, you can click on earn credits right here, and there will be some tasks that you can do to earn credits. And as you can see here, 2 tasks completed and 230 credits to be claimed. Okay, you need to do the task, for example, download or export an image, publish content, or link social media account. And I've already completed this task. Turn on Pippit's push notification so I can claim the credits. Okay, and I've already downloaded and exported a video so I can claim this reward. And yeah, you can claim it guys, and you can use the credits to create for example AI talking photo, avatar video, product photo, and so on. So guys, this is a very powerful tool. If you're a content creator guys and want to make the process easier, you should try Pippit AI. I've left the link in the description for you, so don't miss out. Okay, that's all from me guys. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!